Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and save Target Circle offers in your Target app so you can get those deals without doing the most. What you're going to do first is open the Target app, and then you see at the top your name and it says you have 2 Target Circle bonuses. You're going to select that. And once you're in there, you'll be able to browse the offers. You'll see discounts, deals, and sometimes category-specific offers. When you find one you want, you can just tap it and have it added to your cart. I like to save everything I might even possibly buy because it doesn't hurt. It can help at checkout. Then when you're ready, just check out while you're signed in to your Target Circle account. And as long as you've logged in and your offers are in there saved, then they'll automatically apply if the items qualify. And honestly, that's the best and easiest way that I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually save Target Circle offers, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.